Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I tell you what, Maxpedition has sent us out another awesome bag to check out. This is the Beefy Pocket Organizer. Now, this thing might be a little bit big for the pocket. Vehicle, bag, absolutely 100%. Official dimensions are 8 by 6 by 2.5, but if you know Maxpedition, you can pack a lot of stuff and just really blow them out. But the Beefy, now these are coming in, depending on what color you get, they're in between 28 and 33 bucks. Well worth the price. You got dual YKK zippers, 1000 denier nylon, both water and abrasion resistant. Very nice. You've got a very large pocket, mesh pocket on the front. You've got some hook and loop there. You can fit your favorite patch on there. They sent that patch along. That was kind of cool of them. Very cool. You've got your molly on the back. You've got the handle. And look at it. Very well stitched. Absolutely. Maxpedition pouches are so well put together. Now, I put some stuff in here just to kind of give you an idea of what you can do with these. I mean, you got full clamshell. It opens up, lays out very nicely. I mean, you can pack these for EDC. You can pack these for fire. You can pack these for medical. I've kind of got a combo in here. I actually kind of borrowed some stuff from a fire kit I already had made up, which I will kind of show you here in a little bit. But you've got really three little bit, I would say, knife multi-tool size elastic bands in here. You've even got some smaller ones for pens, fire steels, slip joints. As I've got in here, you've got a large pocket behind it to where you can fit quite a bit of stuff in. And this is where I can say you can really pack these things full. You even got some elastic here. I mean, dream it up. Pack this thing with whatever you want. I got some fire starter here. I got a flint and steel here. Now, these are really large. You can get an Israeli bandage in there if you wanted to go like med kit, or like this, you got kind of a combination. EDC, you got a little bit for fire. You can put some med stuff in here. You've got a zipper pocket back here that you could throw some band-aids, some alcohol swabs, tourniquet, whatever your little heart desires. You can come up. That's the thing I love about these, is they are so very, you know, say you didn't want to put your multi-tool there, you wanted to keep that for something else, but you wanted to have the pouch with you. I mean, this one is wide enough that, I mean, it'll hold pouch and everything. Very well put together, solid bags. I love my Maxpedition bags. And like I said, I kind of stole my fire stuff here from another bag. This is a smaller Maxpedition bag. Sorry, cannot remember the name of this one. Oh my goodness. Anyway, again, YKK zippers, but you can see there, I've got some fire stuff there in the front, some fire starter. But I've got this thing, you know, packed up pretty good. I've got a knife in there. I've got some waterproof matches, flint fire steel, another fire steel, some more fire starter, lots of stuff, a knife, a couple of cards, some alcohol swabs. This is where my fire starter, this fire starter was back here. I had the other flint and steel here. I've got a pencil sharpener in there for making wood shavings. You can just pack these things full. And with this little thing carries a lot. Imagine what you can get in this one. I mean, you can just load them up. Something this big, the medical one I have built up, I think is it's pretty much the same size as this one. But this, for me, would make a great medical. I mean, you could get a tourniquet, like I said, an Israeli bandage, some really large gauze. I mean, you can fit the large gauze back here. Pack them full. They're so versatile, so well put together, and pretty darn affordable. For a bag like this, 28 to 33 bucks is well within reason for sure. Now, I will tell you what, our good buddy Dave always writes EDC articles for an online newspaper down in Texas. He recently just had one of these too. I'm going to post his article in the comments, as well as a link where you can go check out the Beefy for yourself. Go see what Dave did with his bag. I think you'll get... It was cool. It was cool. So, guys, the Maxpedition Beefy. Pack it up. Use it. Abuse it. They hold up so very well. Absolutely. Got to give a huge shout out to Maxpedition for sending this one out to check out. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Of course, as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out what I have, and in this case, what Maxpedition has to offer you. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.